स्थापकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सतं विलासिलोकरक्षकम्।
Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. In this class we are doing the worksheet. So you have to check the answers yourself, whatever we learned in the previous class. Okay, let us start children. Insert commas to separate the digits in Indian and international system of numbers. Okay, the numbers are like here. Yes, we have to insert the commas here in a Indian system as well as in a international system also. The first question is, that is 78164520. So already the one example is done for you. So the second one, move to the second one, that is 19763091. Okay children, 1 it is in 1's place, 5 it is in 10's place, and 9 it is in 100 place. So after the 100 place we insert the 1 comma. Next 0 it is in thousands place, 3 it is in 10,000 place. Okay, next 6 it is in lakhs place, 7 it is in 10 lakhs place. So 9 it is in crore place and 1 it is in 10 crore place. So write the number in the provided place, that is 17, 19 crore, 76 lakh, 30,951. Okay, this is the way to write in the Indian system. Next, the same number we have to write in the international system also. So write the number there. The number is like here, that is 1 it is in 1's place, 5 it is in 10's place, so 9 it is in 100 place. So recall yourself, in the international system there are the mainly 3 periods: 1's period, thousands period and million period. So the 951, these 3 numbers comes under the 1's period. Okay, next after 3 numbers, the 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, these 3,000 places are come under the 1000 period. So next 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So these 3 millions place come under the millions period. So write that one in the provided place, that is international system. So 197,630,951. Okay, next move to the third question. So write the number as it is fastly: 4937525. So after 100 place, after 10,000 place, next these 49, that number comes under the lakhs period. So how to read that one? 49 lakhs 37,525. So write the same number in the international system: 4937525. It means after 100 place, after 100,000 place. So how to read that one? 4,937,525. So next, the third example, that is like here. So after 100 place, after 10,000 place. So 3,79,184. Okay, next 184. It means, so after 3 digit, after 3 digit. So 3,379,184. Okay, this is the fourth example. Next, move to the fifth example now. So 794530 97. So after 3 place, it means after 100 place, then after 10,000 place, next after 10 lakhs place. So 7 crore 94 lakh 53,097. So write the same number in this box also. Next, insert the commas. 3 digit, after 3 digit, it means 79,453,097. The next question is like here, that is after 100 place, after 10,000, after 10 lakh. So it means 12 crore 34 lakh 56,789. So 123,456,789. Okay, the next. That is 37,91,648. Next. $3,791,648. I think you understood the concept. Why? Because you already did this one. Please cross check your answer. Okay, children? Yes, this is 12,98,758. This is 1,298,758. Next number is like here. That is, so read it directly after insert the commas. That is 4,67,59,830. Write it again. If you not done the work, just write it fastly and say the answer loudly. Okay, it is 46,759,813. So the last one question is like here. That is 98989898. It means 9 crore 89 lakh 89,898. 98,989,898. So this is the way insert the commas in a Indian and international system and read the numbers. Okay, children, the one more question there. That is, write the place value of the underlined digit under each of the numbers. Okay, the numbers are 27,502. So the one example is already done for you. The next one is we are doing now. The underlined digit is 7. So the place value of the 7 digit is, so ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So the 7, the underlined digit, it comes under the 10,000s place. So write that one in. It's like that, 70,000. Okay, the next move to the third example. The underlined digit is 2. So which place it comes under? So 5 it comes under the ones place, 2 it comes under the tens place, 8 it comes under the 100 place, the 2, the underlined digit, it comes under the thousands place. So write that 2000. The value of the underlined digit is 2000. Okay, next move to the The next question, that is 7 to 3. So once times 100, 1000 and 10,000. The 4 is the underlined digit in this question. The value of the underlined digit, the 4 is, that is 40,000. As 7, it comes under the ones place, 2, it comes under the tens place, 3, it comes under the 100 place, 9, it comes under the thousands place, and then 4, it comes under the 10,000 place. So the place value of the 4 is 40,000. Okay, the next one is the 7. The 7, it comes under the tens place. Why? Because the 6, it comes under the ones place. The 7 is the underlined number in this question. So the 7, the value of the 7 is 70. Okay, next. So once tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So the underlined digit 1, it comes under the 10,000s place. So write that one, 10,000. Next, the 8. Yes, look the number carefully there. Once tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, the 100,000. So it comes under the 100,000. So write there 100,000. It means 800,000. Next, once tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 30,000. Very good children, very good. There are the only 2 questions. So do it fastly. So the 5, once tens, 100 and 1000. So the 5, the underlined digit is the 5. The value of the 5 is 1000. It means 5 into 1000 is 5000. Next, okay, in this chart, this is the last question. That is once tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 again. These 2 examples come under the international place values. So the 9, it comes under the 100,000s place. So write that one. The value of the underlined digit, that is 9. So the value of the 9 is 900,000. Okay children, okay, these are the examples. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay children, the second question, that is fill in the missing parts in these numbers. 27,582 dash, thousand, dash, hundreds, dash, tens, dash, ones. So what we have to do here? So we have to insert the numbers. Okay, let us start. 27,582. Already we learned how to read the number in the Indian as well as the international system. So that is 27,582. So write that one in the place. So 1000, these 27, these 2 numbers comes under the thousands place. So write it neatly. So that is 27. Next, the 100 place, that is shows the 5. So fill the number here 5. Next, the 8 and 2. So the 8, it comes under the tens place. Then the last number 2, it comes under the ones place. Okay, next. The second question, 38,214. So 38, these 2 numbers comes under the thousands place. Next, it comes under the 100 place. Then 1, it comes under the tens place. The 4, it comes under the ones place. Okay, the last one question in this main question, that is the 135,634. So the third example is, that is under in international system. So the how many thousands there? The 135 thousands. Next 600s. 34. So the 4 it comes under the ones place, 3 it comes under the tens place, 6 it comes under the 100 place, and 135. These 3 digits comes under the thousands places. Okay children. Next, I think you understood. Okay, this missing parts in this question. Okay children, in the fourth example, so we have to write the numbers in the respected places. So class, first read the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So these 3 places come under the ones place. Okay. Next, these 3 places comes under the thousands period. Next, these 3 places comes under the million period. Yes, okay children. Okay, write the numbers now. Zero, 4, 2. These 3 numbers comes under the ones place. So 0, 4, 2. So next 6, 7, 9. Okay, these 3 numbers comes under the thousands period. So write it. So 9, 7, 6. Next the last 3 digits. These 3 digits comes under the millions period. So write it 1, 5, then 7. Okay children, next move to the next example, that is 304. So these 3 digits comes under the ones period, that is 4, 0, 3. Next, these 3 digits comes under the in a thousands periods. So 1, 9, 4. The last 2 it comes under the millions period. So write it. So move the third one, that is 271. So these three digits comes under the ones place. Next, these 3 digits comes under the thousands period. Next, these 2 digits comes under the millions period. So there are the few more questions. So do yourself. Okay children, bye. See you in the next class.